Kapamilya, nandito na naman ako. Have you ever thought about what would happen if you are chronically ill? Ano ba to? It is a long-term health condition that can limit your activities and will require ongoing medical attention. Ito ay isang sakit na maaaring magtagal at magdulot ng matinding pagbabago sa iyong buhay at sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. What would you do if you suddenly found yourself unable to perform 2 out of the 6 activities of daily living? Katulad ng bathing, dressing, eating, toileting, transferring, and continence for at least 90 consecutive days. What steps can you take to prepare for such a situation? Have you considered how life insurance with living benefits can help? It will provide financial support to cover medical expenses and everyday needs. Hindi mo kailangang mag-alala tungkol sa pera habang ikaw ay nagpapagaling. Huwag mong hayaang dumating ang panahon na magsisi ka dahil hindi ka naghanda. Take action now to ensure that you and your family are protected. But don't forget to trust in God. Believe He will provide for you and your family. So don't wait until it's too late. I'm here to help you. Gusto mo din bang makatulong sa iba katulad ko? You too can be a living benefits specialist. Ang maganda dito, makakatulong ka na, matutulungan ka pa. Ito po si Gina Christie. Text or call me at 323-244-9784 or send an email to tulongkopasamoglobal@gmail.com. Until next time!